channel from Hannah's Lego channel. Today I'm going to show you something really special. I just came back from school, but I'm still on my bed. Well, I'm just have to show you something really cool. This golden one. It's in a new one, but the other one is in a box, but this one is like in a plastic box. Let's open it. It's made of metal. Let's see. This is kind of heavy. Look, see? I could do my trick. If I could do that. Well, I don't know what I brought this, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick review. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. And remember, I'm doing a giveaway of lots of fidget spinners. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Wait, hold on. I have to tell you a secret. My brother also had one. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Goodbye.